I'm going to put on a shower cap. So that's what I normally do. I did mention that in my last video. Put on a shower cap and then my steaming cap. And I sit under my steaming cap for about 15 minutes. So that's how I do the avocado. And I think this method is better. So if you can get enough to put in your blender, it actually works better, smoother, and then you have more. The last time I didn't really have enough to cover my hair, saturate my hair to this extent, as you can see in the other video. So this application is preferable. I added more oil so that it could blend, and yeah, so thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.